So we built the lower section, and you can see there's a lot more support than before. We got the fascia, and so all the plywood, everything, every single sheet has to be cut. So like this is 23 centimeters, next one is 88, the next one is going to be 82. So it's all different sizes, and there in the middle it's going to be a little bit easier. I'm going to put a support lengthwise. But yeah, the Sekisui House is completely different measurement than the standard Japanese house, so very frustrating. I didn't know that before I started. I thought it was going to be the traditional way, but it's... Yesterday I attached this piece there to support that short joist there, but what I did is I measured the old joist, and it's different from the new one because the roof is built differently. If you look here, you can see that the distance to the end is different, so I have to unfortunately take it out and redo it. I have to cut it about 3 centimeters over there. I was rushing to finish it yesterday, but now I have to redo it. Darn. So I have rebuilt another section, and I forgot about those 2x4 hangers. They are much more convenient, much easier. And this one here, I had to cut it to an edge to match the bottom. And here, because of the last section, it was a little bit short, I stretched the top. I stretched it about 1.5 centimeters to be able to go right to the top, to the edge. And so one thing that kind of surprised me is this piece of wood here was not level with the other one, so I put it directly onto the holders, but it was higher, so I had to raise it 4.5 centimeters, and then I'll go level it off to the end. I don't know if you understand. So I couldn't make the joint here because of that short piece here. So, and then the next one will see, this is 4.5 centimeter, the next one will be maybe 3 or so, and then it'll be level to the top where it was, because I have to go and match here. I have to go under that flashing to make sure that the water doesn't get in, right? Okay, looking good. So yeah, I'm doing a little bit at a time because I'm by myself, and you know, I only have about 4 hours today, so I can't do the whole thing. But before closing it, I'm going to put some extra insulation, because I won't be able to redo that until next year. I'll be a little bit better for winter. So I finished laying the base for the one side of the roof, one half. I can't do the middle one because I haven't done the other side yet, but it's pretty well done. And yeah, those short pieces are so much cutting and all brackets, so I don't know, so many brackets. Yes, but it's going to be very strong. It won't collapse again. Okay, so there was some squatters in here. Now it's kind of overcovered, but some kind of nut eating. Oh yeah, this is the ginkgo nut, the tree in the backyard, and there's droppings everywhere like that, and there, and see all that crap there. So wow, something lived there in a long time. Gotta clean that up. Right, and then so this is the last section I'm changing, and then the end piece over there, because the end is rotten, and that there will stay. All right, so the support is done for the second half of the roof, and that took a long time. So just to give you an idea, if it was normally done, there would be just one piece all the way from the top to the bottom. So that meant that I had to do more than 3 times the number of cut and pieces, and of course all of them are attached with brackets, so that takes like 3-4 times longer. And I have to do it because I have to attach the steel under that water flashing there. So yeah, it's taken much longer than I expected, but finally it's done. Now I'm just going to put the plywood, which is going to be pretty fast. Alright, the underlay is finished. So today I'll still put the blue top, and then later I'll put some Tyvek on top to make sure that the water doesn't go through. And then I'm debating whether I should install some bubble wrap on top of the Tyvek to soften the noise from the rain. I'll see. Also would keep the nails from, I guess, poking through the metal tin. Alright, one more step. The Tyvek is installed, and as you can see, I put it right under there, the old flashing, so that goes behind the wall, so it's sealed. So now the roof is completely sealed. I was planning to do the metal tomorrow, but it's supposed to rain, so that's too bad. As mentioned before, I only have on Sundays a little bit of time on Saturday to work now, so that's too bad. Nothing I can do. But now it's sealed, so I don't have to worry about rain coming in anymore.